How do I keep my work boots from smelling? Join us to find out. If you're wearing your work boots all day, every day, chances are they're going to begin to stink. So we're going to go over a few tips today on how to combat the funk. Tip 1, you're going to want to ditch the cotton socks and go with a wool sock. Superbuilt or Carhartt wool socks can help with that. What it will do is draw the moisture and sweat away from your skin and into the sock. If you're not a fan of wool socks, you can carry 2 pairs of socks to work every day and change them out intermittently. Tip 2, when you're done working for the day, make sure you put your boots in a well-lit, well-ventilated area. You don't want to put them in a dark corner of your garage. That's an invitation for bacteria. So you want to keep good air circulation in a well-ventilated area. That'll help get your boots dried out. Tip 3, another option to consider is the PEET shoe dryer. It's a safe, silent option, and it blows heat and air directly into the boot. That way you're not giving bacteria free rein on your damp boot. Tip 4, spray the inside of your work boots with stink-free spray. You can spray them twice a day as needed until the smell is gone. You'll want to let them dry out prior to wearing. You can do this a few times per week if needed. Tip 5, consider purchasing a second pair of boots. That way you can alternate between work days. This will give your boots more time to dry out, and as a bonus, you can prolong the life of both pair. Those tips should help your work boots smell a little more pleasant. If you have any questions, please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us.